Tropical storm Iona has formed southeast of the Hawaiian Islands. It is located approximately 915 miles, 1,473 kilometers, southeast of Honolulu, and is moving to the west at 12 miles per hour. Maximum sustained winds are currently near 50 miles per hour, and some further strengthening is expected. Forecasters anticipate Iona could become a hurricane by tonight, Monday, but is then forecast to weaken starting Tuesday. No impacts to the Hawaiian Islands are expected at this time, as the storm is forecast to continue on its westward path, well south of the island chain. Iona is the first named storm of the hurricane season in the Central Pacific. That's all for today. Don't forget to like and subscribe to stay informed of tropical news.